Good morning to all. Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision, the official YouTube channel of Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This is Asha SP, Assistant Professor of PG Department of Commerce. So we are on the 31st lecture of Income Tax Administration. We are dealing with the first module, Appeals and Revisions. Adile, an appeal is filed to the Commissioner of Income Tax, to the Appellate Tribunal, to the High Court, and at last to the Supreme Court. So, we will discuss appeal to Appellate Tribunal. Okay, so in the last class we have discussed about what is the meaning of Appellate Tribunal and the structure of Appellate Tribunal. So, Appellate Tribunal shall consist of judicial members and accountant members, and it is divided into several benches consisting of President, Vice President, judicial members and accountant members. But we appeal file we shall submit the appeal which is accompanied by an amount of fees. നമുക്ക് വെറുതെ അപ്പീൽ പോകാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. An amount of fees must be given to the assessee, must be given by the assessee to the income tax authority. So today we are going to discuss about the structure of fees to appellate tribunal in order to file an appeal towards the appellate tribunal. So the first one is, if the income, the total income assessed by the assessing officer is less than 1 lakh aanengil. The total income assessed by the assessing officer is less than 1 lakh aanengil, and amount of rupees 500 is the amount of fees, rupees 500. This is the first case. Second one is, if the amount of the total income assessed by the assessing officer is between 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh but less than 2 lakh aanengil, or we can say that between 1 lakh and 2 lakh aanennundengil an amount of rupees 1500 must be accompanied with the appeal. So first one is 500, second one is 1500. In the third case, if the total income assessed by the assessing officer is more than 10 lakh aanennundengil, then the amount of appeal and the amount of fees and the 1% of the total income assessed by the assessing officer. But 2 lakh in Mughal, 3 lakh, 3 lakh in 1%, subject to a maximum amount of rupees 10,000. Subject to a maximum amount of rupees 10,000. If the appeal is based on the basis of total income in the basis, 500, 1,500, then 500, 1,500, then 1% of the total income assessed by the assessing officer. If the amount is in any other case, the amount of appeal shall be rupees 500. Are you clear? So, this is the structure of fees regarding the appeal. So, we have appellate tribunal appeal sections, portions, content appellate tribunal point section. So, that's sections class. So, confusion. So that's all about with the structure of fees towards the appellate tribunal. Ini or a particular case stage an amount of rupees 500 is submitted to the income tax authority in case of application on the stay of demand or stay of an order passed by the assessing officer. An amount of rupees 500 is payable by the assessee to the income tax authority. So that's all about with the structure of fees towards the assessing, towards the appellate tribunal. So 500, 1,500, 1% of the assessed income subject to a maximum of rupees 10,000. In any other case, 500 on the basis of notice, stay of notice of demand rupees 500. So that's all about with today's session. But you can class notes in the structure of appellate tribunal. So the session fees, accompanying fees towards appellate tribunal for filing of appeal heading. So so that's all about with today's session. This is Asha SP signing off from Bosco Campus Vision.